Okay, we're going to review the furnace now. Some of the things that you'll need to know for homeowner maintenance, as well as the general operation of the furnace. Now, the furnace itself has a little LED on here. It's solid, and that means it's just in the waiting mode. It's waiting for the thermostat to send a signal to heat up your home. During the winter months, being it's a high efficiency furnace, you got to kind of make sure that the snow buildup on the outside, it draws in air from the outside and exhausts air. So it can run in a situation where there's snow that covers over top of the intake, and it can shut down your furnace. So that's a homeowner maintenance thing. You need to make sure that will your furnace is able to draw in that air. It's not a warranty issue on that behalf. So if your furnace is not working, what you'll need to do is read the little LED at the bottom. So it'll be flashing. Sometimes it flashes two slow, one fast. There's a legend on the top panel here, and it talks about how to read the codes and everything. It's more advantageous for us to have that information when you're calling in that your furnace is not working. That LED indicates whether what particular part of the furnace is failing, so that they can arrive in the right with the right parts and have your furnace repaired in a timely fashion. A few things you should know about shutoffs for your furnace. There's two emergency shutoffs. There's a natural gas shutoff right here. When it's with the pipe, it is in the on position. When it's opposite, then it's in the off position as well. There is up here, there's an electrical shutoff. So it's a good idea when you're changing your furnace filter to turn that off. That way the furnace doesn't start up with the potential of sucking the furnace filter into the fan assembly. Check your furnace filter. All you do is, you should be doing this on a monthly basis, is you just pull off the cover and you can be able to pull the furnace filter out. You'll notice that there's an airflow here. Just visualize that this is the cold air coming into your furnace, and the furnace up here is where the airflow goes, and it's the heated section. So that's how you'll tell which way the airflow goes. Also, there's an arrow on every furnace filter, and it points towards the heating part of the furnace. That will give you an indicating factor on how the furnace filter needs to go in as well. So more or less, you just pull it out, put a new one in, put the cover plate back on again, and you're good for another month. It's advisable to check it every month and replace it when necessary. That is pretty much the furnace and its inner workings as well. I'd like to touch a bit on the warranty of your furnace. The furnace comes with a 1-year workmanship maintenance warranty. It also has a 5-year warranty on certain parts of the furnace. Now, proper maintenance is imperative to be able to have that warranty, that 5-year warranty, stay in place. It's a good idea to have your ductwork cleaned every year, every second year, potentially. We do also suggest is having a qualified professional inspect your furnace. All natural gas products should actually be inspected yearly by a qualified professional.